Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video I will show you how to easily make an alcohol stove using a single soda can. The first thing we need to do is to remove the top of the can, and for that we will use a can opener. This video is sponsored by GLC PCB. GLC PCB is a company that makes excellent quality PCBs at an unbeatable price. You can order boards online in minutes. After registration, upload your Gerber files, select the PCB properties, select the payment method, and place your order. Best price and quality for all your PCB needs. The next step is to cut the can in two parts. We will draw a line, two lines in this way, at 4 centimeters from here and also 4 centimeters from here. Now take the upper part of the can, the one in which we made the hole, and using the scissors we will make a series of vertical markings along the perimeter of the can. These markings will serve for the alcohol to go up by the capillary effect. Now we need to insert this part into the can bottom, but it will be very difficult to make it. So we will make a vertical cut here. In this way we can slide one side against the other and reduce the diameter slightly, so that it will fit on the bottom part of the can. Well, that's it. Our stove is ready for work. Okay, let's test it with alcohol. The way in which this stop works is very simple. We have the alcohol at the bottom of the can, but because of capillary action, the alcohol goes up in each of the groups that we made in the inside can. And we initially started the alcohol, the fire was inside the can, but then it hits all the can. When the can hits, the alcohol that is on the upper part boils and becomes gasified and comes off each of the holes around the can. And then it creates a flame that, as we saw, it goes up for several centimeters. Naturally, the number of flames is equal to the number of lines that we made along the perimeter of the can. If we want a stove with less power, we just need to make less marks around the can at the inside. In this other one, I only made 5 marks, so let's see the difference. You can actually use any cylindrical object. This, for example, is the can of a large capacitor, and in this case you need to cut a rectangle also out of a soda can, approximately the same height as your cylinder, and in order to make the marks you use a ruler and make your marks by pressing with a pen. Make the number of marks that you want and then simply insert it on the cylinder. And now you have a functional stove. Okay, there you have it, a very simple but effective stove and easy to make. I hope you liked the video. If that is the case, please consider making a donation on Patreon. Thanks and see you in the next one.